Lola's getting ready for ski school in the truck. So she's.
Sorry, I'm cheating on snowmobiling.
That's okay because we have a sled in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
And she's wearing her climb gear. Don't jump on that. I don't think it's made for that. Anyways, Lola's skiing today. In her climb. Where's the climb sign? Logo. There's half of it. All right. And we're utilizing all of the truck today, huh?